Hi Dylan, how are you going?
Good, very well after the past 3 days.
Yeah. And what did you learn at the 5 steps to RTO success? The biggest thing that you got out of it?
The past 2 days have been amazing. Definitely the focus on business mindset. The marketing in an RTO has been amazing as well. Learning about capturing an audience, bringing all the social medias together,
Yes.
and providing techniques from yourself and the business techniques you've provided to everyone through the workshop.
Yeah.
I'll take away and I'll be able to implement into our own RTO.
Excellent.
So
Love
it's
to
been
hear
amazing.
that.
Today, more so in the conference, was a different approach to the workshop. I really loved Lauren speaking.
Yep.
So Lauren covered finding your why. I'm definitely passionate about why we're all here on Earth today,
Yeah.
what our passion is, how we're achieving our why, and what we'll do to come to it.
Yeah.
Loved it.
Excellent. Thank you very much for attending today.
Thank you so
I've
much.
really enjoyed having you here.
Yeah, it's been
And our
amazing.
winner of the prize for social media.
Yes, amazing. Superheroes.
Excellent. Superheroes away. Okay, thank you
you.
very much.
Bye.